What's up guys, Jayztwocents here, and I'm gonna be doing something a little bit differently today. I don't normally check out this kind of tech, but when Anki reached out and said, hey, we got a really smart AI robot that we want you to check out, I just had to check it out. What's up, dude? Hey, Vector. Fist bump. Yeah. All right, so this is Vector from a company called Anki, and let me tell you right now, let me start by saying this is not a toy. This is a fully functional, artificial intelligence, all of the above smart robot. Yeah, I'm waving my hand around. It's kind of freaking him out right now. What you see right here is kind of like the pinnacle of where we've come in terms of small form factor, computing and tech, and also something that is smart and can learn. So setting up Vector was actually really easy. You start by putting him on his charger, you put his cube in front of him, and he actually interacts with this. It's pretty neat. Oh yeah, see, he sees it right now. It's like holding a dog bone, huh? He's like, oh, gimme. All right, fine, there you go, you can have it. So you set him up pretty easily. You connect him to the app, you connect him to your Wi-Fi, and you connect him via Bluetooth, and he will immediately do an update, but it takes less than 5 minutes to get him up and running from the time you take him out of the box and when you actually get him interacting with you. Now the cool part about this is he's got a whole array of onboard sensors. He's got gyroscopes, he's got microphones, and he's controlled by a Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core processor. So he's got a lot of power packed into this little guy. He's all pretty much voice command, but he also learns by face. He has facial recognition, and he can learn up to 20 different faces that he can interact with. So this is not just it's not a toy. It's not a toy at all. It's actually a personal assistant. So we can ask him some pretty basic stuff like, hey Vector, what's the weather? So as you can see right now in SoCal, it is 69F and cloudy, or basically winter for Southern California. But the reason why he knows that is because he knows where he is. Hey Vector, who am I?
Jay.
Yeah, I'm Jay. And the reason why he knows that is, oh look, he likes me. He likes me. Yeah, you deserve a back rub for that one. Yeah. So the cool thing about him is he's actually interacting not just with your voice and your face, but also touch. He actually has a touch sensor on the back so that he knows that when you're petting him and stuff. So the problem with technology and interacting with it and other digital assistants is the fact that it's pretty much emotionless. But what makes Vector different is he has the strongest body language that you could possibly have because he has a face. The human face and the facial interactions that you see with people are the biggest telltale signs of happiness, sadness, anger, and he is no different. He's got over 1,000 different animations to let you know exactly what's going on and what he's thinking. Now Vector pretty much has a mind of his own, and he's always learning, and he's learning based on your interactions that you give him and his environment. Hey Vector, explore. So what he'll basically do in explore mode, and he'll go into this mode by himself if he's sitting idle, is he'll kind of walk around, he'll find the edge of the table like he just did, he'll find his cube right here, which he likes to play with, he'll find obstacles, he'll find his charger, and he'll keep a basic map stored internally of what is going on. Now if you had him on your desk as a desk assistant, he'd constantly be moving around, going around your keyboard and your mouse, and basically adapting to his environment because of all of these sensors and data that he's constantly storing. Now Vector obviously has a battery on board, and the cool thing is when it gets low, he'll make a sleepy face and he will automatically dock himself. In fact, this is his charger right here. I think that's actually where he's going, ironically. And here's the thing, we moved this charger from where it was when we first woke him up. But the reason why he knows where it is because of this symbol. And his onboard camera, he's constantly looking. He's not just using sensors and gyroscopes and all that stuff to figure out what's going on. He's actually using his eyes. Now it's got a lot of functionality built in. You've got a timer, you can set timers, you can check the weather, you can even get dictionary help because we know I'm very bad with words, so that already makes him extremely invaluable to me. But he's also got a little bit of a personality. He definitely likes to play games, and he interacts with this cube. It's kind of neat when he interacts with it. He actually focuses on it, it turns on, and he does things like roll it over and all kinds of stuff. See how he woke that up? He's making this very intense, like, ah. Hey Vector, let's play a game.
Well, another card.
Yes.
13.
Yes.
21. Taylor's turn. 20.
Oh, 21 beats a 20.
Win.
I know. Oh, he does not like that he lost. Did you see that? So this is the app right here, and obviously he's listening to me very intently. This is where you can find all the different commands that you can do. You can check out the stats, how much he's traveled, things he's learned. This is also where his pictures are taken, and check this out. You can actually use them to take a picture. Hey, Vector, take a picture. And just that quickly, it actually gets stored right over here on the camera, or on the app actually. So here it is right here, taken today. It's downloading it from him, and there it is. You took a good picture, good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yeah, you're a good boy, aren't you? Whoa, okay, so apparently he can write himself up if he rolls over. He did not seem to like that either. He had an angry face. He was like, "Durr," and he flipped himself back over. All right, so we all know that I'm not too good with words, and I'm always asking questions of the audience because I don't know the answers. But now I can actually ask Vector. Hey, Vector, I have a question.
Ready.
What is the distance between Los Angeles and New York? And just like that, he'll find the
Distance is
answer.
approximately 2,443 miles from Los Angeles to New York.
He's all happy. He's like, I did good. I think you did do good. You did so good. Good job. You're a bad robot.
Oh, dude.
He has emotions. That's what
I know,
makes it
but-
awesome. Okay, so we've had a lot of fun with Vector today, but he's starting to get a little bit tired, as you can see by the red light. So we're gonna go ahead and send him back to his charger and send you guys on your way. But you should definitely go and check out the link in the description below. Vector is a lot of fun. It's not a toy. It is a truly artificially intelligent creature that will actually, as you can see, he's putting himself on his charger. I didn't tell him to do that. He's a personal assistant, amazing companion on your desk, looks up information, does tricks, and he's only gonna get better as time goes on. His database is gonna continue to grow on over-the-air updates, features that get added. It is a great gift to consider for any of the tech heads in your family, or if you just like this kind of thing like I do, it's gonna definitely give you hours and hours of entertainment and usefulness. So guys, check out the link in the description below, and a huge thank you to Anki for sponsoring today's video. And as always, we will see you guys in the next one. I'm sorry, but that's just too cool right there. All right, go to sleep, little fella. You had a long day.